Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about divergent and convergent. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the interval from number 2 to positive infinity. That means this is about the domain of this function in here. So, because from number 2 to positive infinity, all the value in here with the even power. Just like this, you got about positive number because this is about even power. Positive or negative with even power, you got about positive number. That's why you got greater than or equal to number 0. Next, if I put the negative sign for the both side, is smaller than or equals to number 0. Now, if I put s to the power of 3 for the both sides, you will get like this. Now, if I put them into denominator, so this one, they will change the sign. And that should be greater than or equals to 1 over s to the power of 3. Now, because this one, they are the positive, because the domain, they are the positive, so they don't change the sign of this one. Now, we can put the integration from number 2 to positive infinity. Now I will consider about this integration. I will put about the limit a approach to positive infinity. So we have the integration from number 2 to a. So s squared divided by s to the power of 3. S divided by s to the power of 3, you got about 1 over s plus 1 over s squared. The integration of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, you got about negative 1 over s. And we put the bounds from number 2 to a. So we put the value of a and number 2 going here. So when a approaches to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. But when a approaches to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity. So this one go to positive infinity. Positive infinity minus the value in here, you still got about positive infinity. But we know that this one go to positive infinity. That means this one divergent. So if this one divergent, this one should be about divergent because this one is greater than or equal to this one. But if this one is divergent, so this one should be about divergent. So we can conclude that this interaction is divergent. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.